In this city, time is not measured in minutes. It is bought, it is sold.
And now a new king of death has arrived. A creature that feeds on stolen hours and forgets every memory it takes.
Give it back! This stops now. No more waiting.